Here's Christopher's new robot. Woohoo! Got Grandpa and Grandma and Austin and Uncle T-Bone sent. You like it, Christopher? Come here, pal. Show us your remote control. Cool.
Whoa!
Uh-oh, he's running into toys. What's his name?
Wally!
Wally.
Now watch this.
Oh, that's your name, huh?
Wally!
You like it, Catalina? You like it, girl? Hey. Let's turn you this way so you can see. Hi, Wally.
It's running.
Hey, girl.
Okay, watch this. The next one is this.
You like your robot, pal?
But he's a little grumpier today.
He's grumpier today?
No,
Or what did you say?
no, he's not grumpy.
Is he happy? Cool.
He likes me.
Okay. See you later, Wally.
Just come on here. Just a bicycle.
Ooh, he's dancing. Uh-oh.
Okay. Next is this one.
Boop. Right into the walker.
And next is this one. Next is this one.
Okay. Oh, cool.
And this one. And this one.
Cool. He just said cool. She's like, yeah, no, yeah, no. Ooh, he's dancing. Yeah, he's dance. Dance. He is. Look at him. He's doing circles. He's dancing. Oh, right into my foot.
He's looking Catalina.
Yeah. Ah, he's got my foot. All right, say bye-bye. Love you. Bye.
Bye.
Ooh, Catalina's dancing. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, Christopher.
Bye.
Bye, Catalina.
There goes Wally.
Bye, Wally.
Bye. Oh.